Hello, this video is predominantly for the benefit of Susan Cuff and Keith Binley. It explains what Dataharvest is all about. Dataharvest is a program that captures information from the internet. In this particular screenshot, we're seeing that it's going to capture the front page of the headlines of the British newspapers. One simply needs to run that probot and go to the FTP connected area called My Files, and is able then to download those and view those headlines, the front pages. This would be particularly useful for journalists, and there is a whole nother aspect of what we do which is designed for research for journalists, which includes the scanning and scouring of Wikipedia. There we go, the front pages of each of the newspapers of a couple of days ago when I recorded this. Let's have a look at something else. We've got, it's not restricted simply to that. We can scour the internet for Craigslist. In this particular example, we are scouring for accountants and bookkeepers in the Miami area. It could scour for anything, and as you can see that it neatly puts it into a spreadsheet where one can see what it is that people are looking for, and one also has links to the actual page in order to be able to follow up on that. This is, by the way, entirely legal. It is the use of information for research purposes, and there's no problem with that. Here we're exercising a bit of artificial intelligence. There is the prediction of the playoffs for the NFL. It doesn't always get it right, but it is using artificial intelligence, and it is the intention of Dataharvest to use artificial intelligence to be able to use that data. In this particular screenshot here, we're looking at how we are scheduling a particular event. We're deciding that we're going to do something every single day. Well, I've actually done it before. That's the BBC newspaper, so I'm going to delete that one, but it does show you how easy it is simply to say I'm going to run that every day, every hour, every 5 minutes if you want. If you're looking at stock prices, that could be important. Let's have a look at how the code is constructed. Now, the code is constructed using a language that was developed by a company called UBot. However, within UBot, we're able to use Python, we're able to use PHP, so we're not even restricted necessarily to people who have a specific knowledge of one particular language. What are we looking at here? We're looking at deals of the day. We're looking at arbitrage. Arbitrage is where you buy a product on the internet and you sell it for a little bit more. And deals of the day within Amazon are extremely important in that. As you can see, we've got the progress button, we've got a bit of JavaScript going on. It tells you the progress of it, and lo and behold, you just need to click that download button, and the deals of the day are compiled into a spreadsheet, and each of those spreadsheets has the link of where has the price, the product, and it has the link of where that particular product can be found and can be bought. So arbitrage is one area that we'd be looking to, and you can see that you can click on that and it will open up the web page, and in this particular case it is more generic, a group of health products, but let's have a look at that one. That one is a surge protector if one would ever want one, and it'll take you through to the exact product. It's probably the cheapest surge protector on the internet, and so the information that it provides is extremely well organized. Let's have a look at something else. Okay, we're looking at here this is called the code generator. Within Dataharvest, there's a code generator, which means that you can put in a few techie kind of parameters, and it will actually scrape a website for you. Now, it'll also scan the code, by the way, so I'm going to cut and paste this code into here. It's actually going to tell you that it needs a bit of enhancements. It'll tell you what's wrong with it as well, but fundamentally you can write a scraper for a particular website in 5 or 10 minutes using the code generator there. Let's have a look at this. There we have, that's the top 250 films from IMDb. And, well, let's just let that run. You don't have to be watching it while it actually goes on. It'll go on in background, obviously it's scheduled. In the background here, we can see the usage of a particular person. Now, I have the professional plan, which means I can run most of these for free, but we also have the ability to be able to charge for one-offs. That means that if you don't have the professional plan, so you have the basic plan, you might have to pay $2, $3 every time you run something until you decide to upgrade. And we're linked into PayPal, and we're linked into Stripe as well. So we are fully functional in being able to charge people on their credit cards. That is basically your account, and the here we're coming back now to the IMDb. You can see it's completed. Nice bit of JavaScript there. Just hit the download button, and there you go. You have it. Now that is, in summary, the synopsis of Dataharvest.